Hi guys, welcome to Mick Mack Kitchen again with me, Christina. In this episode, I'm going to make authentic Southeast Asian mango salad. This mango salad is from my mom's recipe and she makes the best mango salad and I would love to share it with you. Well, you know, in Southeast Asia, we only have summer. It's very hot and we have a lot of mangoes. And we eat mangoes as salad, we eat mango just like that. We eat mangoes at dessert, we eat mangoes for everything. There's only one thing we don't do. We don't cook mango with chicken. I have no idea why. It just doesn't exist. You might see that in Germany, but I'm telling you, we don't eat like that. All right, let's get started. And of course you need a mango. I got green mango here. I went to my supermarket and I saw as a green mango, I was like, that's nice for mango salad. I got some shrimp powder here. I have 1 teaspoon. If you don't like it, you can just skip it. But I think it tastes better if you put some on it. I have 1 tablespoon of sugar. I got some chili flakes here. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon. It depends how spicy you like it. If you like it very spicy, you can put more. If you don't like it very spicy, just put a little bit. This is beautiful for the color, but actually it's not very spicy. You can put fresh chili on that, but I don't really have fresh chilies right now, so I'm just going to put chili flakes. I have fish sauce here. I'm gonna put a little bit, maybe 1 tablespoon. I have a lemon here. I'm gonna get the juice out of it. I'm going to start from juice of half of a lemon before I put it too much. You should taste it first before you put more. If you like it sour and you put it more. I have some frozen coriander here. I have about 2 tablespoons. Coriander is just going to give this nice flavor on your mango salad. I have some salt here, but you have to try it first before you put some salt inside because the fish sauce is already very salty. If you don't need it, don't put any on it. Alright, I have a bowl here. I'm gonna put my chili flakes inside. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon. It's gonna be spicy. As I told you, if you don't like it too spicy, then you just put a little bit. I think chili flakes give a little bit nice color. It's red, you know. I'm gonna put about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. I'm gonna start juice of half a lemon. It's gonna be very sour. So, give it a stir. Smells so good already. I'm drooling, I'm telling you. This is pretty good. I don't think I need salt anymore. I'm going to show you how I cut my mango. This is washed, dried. I have this kind of knife, you see that. I find it's easier if you use a serrated knife. Oh, looks beautiful. The weather is getting nicer right now in Germany. It's spring. It was really, really cold. It was snowing. And if you feel like you want something fresh and you want it quick, you don't have that much time, mango salad. It's gonna be perfect for you. Normally I put it in the fridge before I eat it. I put about like 15 minutes. So I'm going to start like here from the pit and cut it straight, if you see that. You have to have feelings for this. So, and then I'm going to slice my mango real thin. the way my mom, she makes it, normally she cuts the mango really tiny, like in a really tiny chunks, little juliennes. I just don't have that much time for that. So you see that? You see that? I'm gonna put in a food container. This is very practical. I use it for everything. I use it for making salad. I use it for baking. I use it to keep my food. Basically for everything. It's just perfect. I think that would be nice if you have a can of beer or a bottle of beer. It will fit perfectly with the mango salad. You can also eat a mango salad with rice if you want. It's all up to you. So I'm going to put the sauce inside. All inside. Stir it a little bit. Look at that nice color. It's yellow, it's red, and it's gonna be green too. From this. The coriander inside. As I mentioned before, I like to freeze my herbs because I always buy a lot of herbs and then I don't finish using them, and they're just sitting in a fridge, and before I have to throw them away, I just clean them, dry them, and chop them very fine, and then put in a freezer. I'm going to let this sit for about 15 minutes and I'm going to eat it later. And I have some peanuts here. I have ground peanuts and I have some whole peanuts. This is also optional. If you like them, then you put them on your salad. If you don't like them, then don't. Or if you're allergic to peanuts, then you can replace peanuts with cashews or macadamias. So 15 minutes later, I'm going to serve my mango salad. I'm just going to put it here. Oh, you see how much I love mango salad. And you put the peanuts in the end because you want your peanuts crunchy, crispy, you know. And I'm going to put some cherry tomatoes. You don't have to. I just think it looks nicer. There we go. Now the fun part. I'm going to try this. Oh. I'm telling you, this is the best Asian mango salad ever. It's very fresh, it's sour, spicy. You could taste the fish sauce, you could taste the shrimp powder. It's all together, it's just all packed together. Make it for yourself, for spring, for summer. You're gonna fall in love with this. Oh, I need some time for myself right now. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. See you on next episode. Bye.